Have you ever looked at someone else and thought they were stronger, smarter, or more capable than you? Most people do. They underestimate themselves every single day, not because they're weak, but because they've never learned how to recognize real power. Real power isn't loud. It doesn't demand attention. It doesn't need to prove anything. The strongest people often look ordinary from the outside. They don't always have the biggest following. They don't always speak the loudest. They simply understand something that most people never discover. Power begins in the mind long before it appears in your life. Today, you're going to discover 7 signs that you're far more powerful than you think. You may not realize it yet, but if even a few of these signs describe you, your potential is much greater than you've been told. Let's begin. Sign #1. You stay calm when others panic. Most people mistake emotion for strength. When pressure rises, they raise their voices. When problems appear, they lose control. But truly powerful people do something completely different. They slow down. They observe. They think. Because they understand one important truth. The person who controls their emotions controls the situation. Think about every great leader you've ever respected. In moments of chaos, they didn't react impulsively. They responded deliberately. That's because emotional control is psychological dominance. When someone insults you and you don't immediately fight back, when life disappoints you and you refuse to quit, when fear shows up, but you continue moving anyway, you're demonstrating a level of inner strength that many people never develop. Calm isn't weakness. It's confidence without needing to announce itself. If you've learned to pause before reacting, you're already more powerful than you realize. Sign #2. You don't need everyone to like you. One of the biggest prisons people live in is the need for approval. They constantly ask themselves, what will people think? Will they judge me? Will they accept me? That fear quietly controls countless decisions. Power begins the moment approval stops controlling your life. You understand something simple. Not everyone is supposed to like you. And that's perfectly okay. When your identity depends on other people's opinions, you're giving away your power. But when your values become stronger than outside criticism, you become incredibly difficult to manipulate. Powerful people respect others, but they don't live for applause. They know criticism is inevitable. So instead of chasing acceptance, they chase purpose. The more comfortable you become standing alone, the stronger your life becomes. Sign #3. You learn from failure instead of running from it. Failure destroys some people. It builds others. The difference isn't intelligence. It's interpretation. Most people believe failure means, I'm not good enough. Powerful people think differently. They ask, what is this trying to teach me? Every setback contains information. Every mistake contains feedback. Every disappointment contains direction. Life doesn't punish you with failure. It trains you through it. The strongest people you admire today have failed more times than most people are willing to admit. The only reason they succeeded is because they refused to let temporary defeat become a permanent identity. If you keep getting back up, you are already winning. Sign #4. You protect your peace. Many people confuse being available with being kind. They say yes when they want to say no. They tolerate disrespect. They stay in exhausting relationships. They sacrifice their mental health just to avoid conflict. But powerful people understand boundaries. Not walls, boundaries. There's a difference. They know protecting their peace isn't selfish. It's necessary. Your attention is your greatest resource. Where you invest it determines the quality of your life. If someone constantly drains your energy, you don't owe them unlimited access. If an environment destroys your confidence, you have permission to leave. Choosing peace over unnecessary drama isn't weakness. It's wisdom. And wisdom is one of the highest forms of power. Sign #5. You keep growing, even when nobody notices. Many people only work hard when someone is watching. They need recognition, validation, praise. But real growth happens in private. The workouts no one sees. The books no one knows you're reading. The habits nobody applauds. Powerful people understand delayed gratification. They plant seeds today, knowing the harvest comes later. Success isn't built during moments of celebration. It's built during ordinary days when nobody is paying attention. If you're quietly improving yourself, without needing constant approval, you're developing something that cannot be taken away. Your future is being built in silence. Sign #turn6. You refuse to become bitter. Life hurts everyone. Everyone experiences betrayal, disappointment, loss, rejection. The question isn't whether you'll suffer. The question is, what suffering will make you become? Some people become angry forever. Others become wiser. Powerful people refuse to let pain define their character. Instead of asking, why did this happen to me? They ask, what can this teach me? Pain can either close your heart or strengthen your character. Your past explains you. It doesn't have to control you. Choosing growth over bitterness is one of the greatest victories a person can achieve, because healing requires far more courage than revenge. Sign #7. You believe your future can be better than your past. This may be the greatest sign of all. Hope, not wishful thinking, but determined belief. Powerful people understand that identity isn't fixed. You are not your mistakes. You are not your failures. You are not the labels someone placed on you years ago. Every day gives you another opportunity to become someone stronger. A better thinker, a better leader, a better parent, a better friend, a better version of yourself. Your future isn't written by yesterday. It's written by the decisions you make today. The moment you truly believe change is possible, your brain begins searching for opportunities that were invisible before. That's how transformation begins. Not with perfect circumstances, but with a different mindset. Power isn't something you find. It's something you recognize. It's already inside you, waiting to be strengthened through discipline, patience, wisdom, and courage. If you stay calm under pressure, if you don't depend on approval, if you learn from failure, if you protect your peace, if you keep growing quietly, if you refuse bitterness, and if you believe your future is greater than your past, then you're already far more powerful than you think. The world doesn't need another person pretending to be strong. It needs someone willing to become genuinely strong from the inside out. And that journey starts with the decision you make today, because your greatest power has never been your circumstances. Most people believe power is about being louder, stronger, or more intimidating than everyone else. They assume the person with the strongest opinions or the quickest reactions is the one in control. But if you pay close attention to how people behave under pressure, you'll notice something very different. The individuals who have the greatest influence are often the ones who remain calm while everyone else becomes emotional. They don't rush to speak. They don't let anger make their decisions. Instead, they pause, observe what is really happening, and respond with intention rather than impulse. That ability to stay composed gives them an advantage, because emotions can cloud judgment, while a calm mind can see opportunities, solutions, and hidden details that others miss. Every day presents moments that test your emotional control. Someone may criticize you unfairly, ignore your efforts, or challenge your patience. Your first reaction may be to defend yourself immediately or let frustration take over. Yet the moment you react without thinking, you hand control of your emotions to someone else. Real strength is shown when you can acknowledge what you feel without allowing those feelings to dictate your actions. A calm response often carries far more weight than an emotional outburst because it demonstrates confidence, maturity, and self-discipline. People naturally trust those who remain steady during uncertainty. In workplaces, families, friendships, and relationships, the person who keeps a clear mind often becomes the one others look to for guidance. This doesn't mean ignoring emotions or pretending they don't exist. It means recognizing them, understanding why they appear, and choosing a response that aligns with your values instead of your impulses. Emotional self-control is a skill developed through practice, patience, and awareness. Every time you choose composure over chaos, you strengthen your mind, increase your resilience, and quietly build the kind of inner power that cannot be shaken by outside circumstances. Many people spend years chasing approval without even realizing it. They measure their worth by the compliments they receive, the attention they attract, or the number of people who agree with them. This creates a cycle where their confidence rises when they are praised and falls the moment they face criticism. Living this way places your emotional well-being in the hands of other people, allowing their opinions to determine how you see yourself. Real confidence works differently. It is built from your own values, choices, and actions rather than the changing judgments of those around you. When you stop needing everyone to like you, something powerful begins to happen. You become free to make decisions based on what is right instead of what is popular. You speak honestly without constantly worrying about how your words will be received. You set healthy boundaries without feeling guilty for protecting your time and energy. You no longer change your personality to fit every room you enter because you understand that authenticity attracts the right people while pretending only creates temporary acceptance. Not everyone will understand your goals, your mindset, or the path you choose. Some people may criticize your ambitions simply because they are different from their own. Others may project their fears or insecurities onto you, hoping you'll stay within the limits they have accepted for themselves. When your confidence depends on pleasing everyone, these opinions become obstacles. When your confidence comes from within, those same opinions become background noise that no longer controls your direction. Developing inner confidence doesn't mean becoming arrogant or ignoring feedback. It means learning the difference between constructive advice and unnecessary approval. Wise people remain open to learning while refusing to let every opinion shape their identity. They understand that respect is earned through character, consistency, and integrity, not through constant people-pleasing. The more secure you become in who you are, the less energy you waste trying to convince others of your value, and the more attention you can devote to becoming the person you were meant to be. Failure has a way of revealing what people truly believe about themselves. When things don't go as planned, many immediately assume they aren't talented enough, smart enough, or capable enough to succeed. They treat every setback as proof that they should stop trying. But the most successful people don't see failure as a final judgment. They see it as information. Every mistake exposes a weakness that can be improved. Every obstacle highlights a skill that needs to be developed. And every disappointment points toward a better strategy. Instead of asking, "Why did this happen to me?" they ask, "What can I learn from this experience?" Growth begins the moment you stop fearing failure and start studying it. Think about learning any new skill, whether it's speaking confidently, building a business, improving relationships, or mastering a profession. Progress rarely happens without mistakes. Those mistakes aren't signs that you're moving in the wrong direction. They're evidence that you're pushing beyond your comfort zone. People who avoid failure often avoid growth as well, because they choose safety over improvement. They remain in familiar routines where nothing challenges them, and over time, that comfort quietly limits their potential. Every challenge strengthens qualities that cannot be developed in easy situations. Patience grows when results take longer than expected. Discipline develops when motivation fades but you continue anyway. Resilience is built by recovering from disappointment instead of surrendering to it. Confidence becomes genuine when you've faced uncertainty, made mistakes, corrected them, and realized you can handle more than you once believed. These qualities are earned through experience, not handed out through success alone. Your greatest lessons often come from the moments that tested you the most. A rejected opportunity may push you toward a better path. A difficult relationship may teach you the importance of boundaries and self-respect. A major setback may force you to discover strengths you never knew you possessed. Every obstacle carries the potential to transform your mindset if you are willing to examine it with honesty, curiosity, and the determination to improve, rather than the desire to avoid discomfort. Your mindset quietly shapes every decision you make, every opportunity you notice, and every challenge you choose to face. Two people can experience the same setback, yet respond in completely different ways because of how they think. One sees obstacles as proof that success is impossible, while the other sees them as temporary problems that can be solved. The difference is rarely talent or luck. It is the belief that growth is always possible, and that today's circumstances do not have to define tomorrow's future. Protecting your peace is an essential part of building that mindset. Your attention is one of your most valuable resources, and where you focus it determines the direction of your life. Constant negativity, unnecessary drama, and endless comparison can drain your motivation without you even realizing it. Choosing to step away from those distractions allows your mind to concentrate on learning, improving, and pursuing meaningful goals. Continuous growth also requires patience. Real progress often happens quietly through small daily actions rather than dramatic, overnight changes. Reading one more chapter, practicing one more skill, making one better decision, or learning from one mistake may seem insignificant in the moment, but these consistent efforts gradually transform your confidence and abilities. When you believe your future is created by the choices you make today, you stop waiting for perfect conditions and begin taking responsibility for becoming the strongest version of yourself.